Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Murtaza and you're watching SM Learning. Today I'm going to share with you a story of a person. It's inspirational video. It's a motivational video. Please don't skip it. Watch till end. It's a useful video for you. There was a person, he was working in one place where he was getting 2000 dirham salary. It was 2000 dinar in that time. He was working with that person. It was about 2 years, 3 years like that. He was working that place. He never got an increment. One day this person, he got absent from his job. His sponsor, he thought maybe his salary is less and long time I didn't increase his salary. Let me to increase his salary so that he will be faithful with his job and he will never get an absent from his job. What he did, he increased his salary 500 dirham or dinar. When the time came, he got the salary. That time he got salary 2500 dirham. He left. He just take salary and went to his home. And next day again came to his work normal. As normal he was coming. So the person, his sponsor, he was shocked. This person, I increased his salary and he didn't say even thanks to me that I increased his salary. Okay, no problem. He just ignored it. Time was going. After 3 months, 4 months, 5 months like that, he was still continuing his job. One day again he got absent. Once he got absent, this sponsor, he thought, so I increased his salary and still he got absent. Let me to deduct that 500 dirham which I increased. The next month when he gave him salary, again he gave him 2000 dirham. He took the salary and went his home, and the next day he came back to work as usual, normal. He didn't say that you increase my salary and you deduct my 500 again. What happened? He didn't complain. The first time when he got the increment, he didn't complain to him. Second time when he got the deduction, he didn't complain about anything. So the sponsor, he was worried. This person not saying thanks and this person is not complaining when I deduct the salary. Let me ask him. When the next day he came, he called him, come here. I have some questions from you. He came and said, that sponsor asked him, the first time I increased your salary, you didn't say thanks to me. The second time, I deduct your salary, you didn't complain. Can you please tell me the reason? So he said, this is not from you. This is from Almighty Allah. He is giving me risk through your hand. So this is not from you which you giving me. He said, can you please explain it to me how Allah giving you through my hand? So he said, the first time when I was absent, I was at hospital with my wife because I got a baby boy. So when the salary came, I got extra 500 dirham. So I said, this is from Allah. Allah sent the risk of my baby for me. Almighty Allah is doing this one. He said, okay, the second time. He said, the second time when I was absent, my mother died. That's why I didn't came here. So the next month you give me less 500 dirham. So I thought my mom died and she took her risk with herself. So this is not from you. This is from Allah to give me. So that person, he said, really, this is from Allah coming to you. When your baby born, you got extra 500, and when your mother died, you got a deduction of 500 dirham. So look guys, Almighty Allah, He know better than us. We have planned, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He planned for us, which we don't know what is good for us and what is not good for us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He know it better than us. So always trust Allah and don't ever complain whatever you're getting and whatever you're losing. Just leave it to Allah because He knows better than us. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe the channel, and if you need any specific video, please mention it in the comments so that we can come with a new video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Stay safe. Take care.